everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make spring day fruit black tea in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematic Event. And at this event, you can cook any limited food or drink. One of them is spring day fruit black tea like this. And then to make these drinks, you need to complete all the ingredients. First, you need tea leaf like this, and then any fruits, and then spring day brown sugar. And then once all the ingredients are complete, just tap on start cooking like this. And okay, like this, when you successfully making a spring day fruit black tea, you will see the animations like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.